You know that quiet moment when you realize you're always the one texting first, always adjusting your plans, always making sure the conversation never dies, always pouring more energy into the relationship than you're getting back. It feels like loyalty. It feels like caring. But slowly, without you noticing, something shifts. You become the safe, predictable guy who's always there, and the spark that once felt alive starts to fade. Here's the hard truth most men never hear. When you make yourself too available, too emotionally certain, and too easy to rely on, you don't create deeper connection. You quietly lower the respect and mutual investment that keeps attraction healthy and alive. Women don't fall out of love because you're too nice. They lose that electric pull when the relationship feels one sided and unbalanced. The good news? This isn't about playing games or becoming cold. It's about reclaiming your own life, your own standards, and your own self respect in a way that creates natural balance and deeper mutual respect. Today, I'm walking you through 9 powerful psychology backed shifts that help restore that healthy dynamic. Not through manipulation, but through authentic growth, emotional maturity, and real confidence. These changes come from evidence based relationship research and real world patterns that actually strengthen long term connections. If you're tired of feeling like the backup plan or the one who invests more, hit that like button and subscribe for more honest, respectful advice that helps men build stronger relationships. Let's dive in. 1. Develop a more authentic masculine presence. Most men misunderstand what real masculine energy looks like. It's not aggression or dominance, it's quiet confidence, decisiveness, and emotional steadiness. When you constantly agree with everything she says, over apologize, or rush to reassure her that you're not going anywhere, you unintentionally signal that your happiness depends entirely on her approval. That creates imbalance. Instead, practice calm honesty, listen fully, then share your real thoughts without softening them to keep the peace. Make decisions on your own when appropriate. Don't rush to fix every emotional wave she shares. This isn't about being distant, it's about showing you have your own center. Healthy women respond to that steadiness with more respect and engagement because the relationship feels balanced, not one sided. 2. Spend more time with your close friends. When a man slowly drops his friendships, hobbies, and male social circle to focus only on the relationship, he doesn't become more valuable in her eyes. He becomes smaller. Keeping strong bonds with your brothers isn't selfish. It keeps you grounded, motivated, and mentally sharp. It reminds both of you that your life has richness beyond the relationship. Schedule one night a week just for your friends. Share those experiences casually without making her feel excluded. When she sees you have a full, balanced life, she naturally values your presence more because she knows you're choosing her from strength, not need. 3. Naturally expand your social circle. This is about healthy abundance, not jealousy games. When you build natural, respectful connections with other people, both men and women, through work, hobbies, volunteering, or classes, you create organic social proof. Women notice when other people enjoy your company. It doesn't require flirting. Simple, friendly interactions at events or mixed groups are enough. The key is doing it for yourself, not to make her chase. When she sees you're socially thriving and respected by others, she feels inspired to invest more because the dynamic feels balanced and exciting. 4. Release the fear of losing her. The deepest shift happens when you stop operating from fear. Constantly checking her mood, over texting, or dropping everything the moment she needs something sends a subconscious message that your emotional stability depends on her. Instead, build genuine self worth. Journal your strengths. Remember who you were before the relationship. Delay responses when you're busy. Stay calm during tension instead of rushing to reassure. When you genuinely accept that you can thrive with or without the relationship, your energy changes. She feels that quiet confidence and responds with more respect and effort because the connection now feels chosen, not clung to. 5. Be authentic and honest. Many men enter relationships as a polished version of themselves, hiding opinions, laughing at things they don't find funny, or tolerating behaviors that bother them just to keep the peace. Over time, that incongruence erodes trust. Women sense when you're performing. Practice calm honesty. Share your real thoughts without aggression. Say, that doesn't sit right with me when something crosses a line. Authenticity creates polarity and respect because she sees the real you, not a filtered version trying to be liked. 6. Set firm but kind boundaries. Boundaries aren't about control, they're about self respect. When you allow repeated late replies, last minute cancellations, or disrespectful comments without addressing them calmly, you teach that those behaviors are acceptable. A simple, steady, I don't appreciate that, followed by natural space, less availability for a short time, shows you value yourself. Healthy women respect clear standards and adjust naturally. Boundaries create the structure that keeps attraction and respect balanced. 7. Show calm disappointment when needed. Anger is loud and short lived. Calm disappointment is quiet and powerful. When she crosses a clear boundary or breaks trust, instead of exploding or ignoring it, express measured disappointment. That's not something I'm okay with. Then give a little natural space. This isn't punishment, it's honest emotional alignment. It prompts reflection and growth far more effectively than yelling or silence because it comes from self respect rather than reactivity. 8. Be emotionally available, but not always on call. Being supportive is wonderful. Being her constant 24/7 emotional sponge without boundaries isn't. Respond when you're truly free. Don't drop everything for every vent session. Protect your energy like a valuable resource. This creates healthy space for her to miss your presence and invest more. The relationship gains depth when both people have room to breathe. 9. Center your life around a meaningful purpose. The strongest shift is this: build a life that excites you independently of the relationship. Pursue your mission, career goals, fitness, creative projects, personal growth. When your world has purpose beyond her, she becomes a cherished partner in your life, not the entire center of it. This natural balance inspires her to show up with more respect and effort because she sees a man who is whole, driven, and choosing her from strength. Conclusion: these 9 shifts aren't about becoming cold or distant. They're about becoming the best, most balanced version of yourself, the man who brings healthy tension, respect, and mutual investment into the relationship. When you value your own life, standards, and growth, she naturally values you more. That's how real, lasting attraction and respect are built, not through games, but through genuine self respect and balance. If this resonated, comment "I choose balance" below and tell me which shift hit you hardest. Like the video if you're ready to apply this in your life. Subscribe for more honest, psychology based advice that helps men build stronger, healthier relationships. Share this with any man who's giving everything and slowly losing himself. You might change his life. Thanks for watching. Stay strong, stay balanced, and lead with respect. See you in the next one.